When you're travelling to Zambia on an international holiday, you're probably going to fly into Lusaka or Livingstone, and from there it would be most normal to actually then fly if you're going on safari, because the roads are particularly bad. It's very seasonal, so because the walking camps are only open from June to October, national parks are more accessible, but not particularly by road because of the poor infrastructure. Because there's such a short booking season for the walking safaris, a year ahead, 6 months ahead, you do need to pre-plan because it's not open all year round. So in order to get your first choice of dates and your first choice of walking camps, then we would recommend booking ahead of travel. As with all the other countries we sell in East and Southern Africa, Zambia does have a malaria risk, so you would very definitely need to chat to your doctor before travel in order to be sure that you're taking the right prophylactics.
Zambia can easily be combined with a trip to Zimbabwe, Botswana, even Namibia, and further north to Malawi or Tanzania. That's quite popular to put together, especially on the overland routes. What did you do that you weren't supposed to do?
I'm not telling. So when you're on a walking safari in South Luangwa, you're going to be carrying a day pack with you, and also it's a good idea if you're wearing cargo shorts or cargo trousers, because that gives you some extra pockets in which to have maybe a snack during the day and to carry your bottle of water. You're also going to need your sun hat, sunscreen, all those normal things on safari, but because you haven't got the vehicle travelling behind you, that will have taken your luggage to the next camp. So it's a good idea to be able to store everything on your person in order to have access during the day.
Yeah, a top tip for the walking safaris in Zambia is to have a very good light pair of binoculars. Generally on a walking safari on foot, you're going to have quite a distance between yourself and the wildlife. So having a very good pair of binoculars that's also light at the same time is probably something you want to invest in for a walking safari.
Also, don't forget your insect repellent.
So like and subscribe. Also feel free to join a 6-part email course that will answer everything you need to know about going on safari in the link below, and check out our website. We have many tours of all various durations and styles for each country in East and Southern Africa.